Yo, what's up? I'm Shotti NYC. I'm a photographer from the Bronx, and I want to let you know that skin is skin just like any other subject, especially black skin. Light is light, and it tends to do the same things under certain predictable circumstances. Here's 5 tips to consider when shooting black skin. Number 1, pay attention to the tones of black skin. As black people, we're very diverse in our color range, and we have different types of color notes in our skin, whether that could be like red tones, yellow tones, orange, brown, blue, purple. You definitely want to pay attention to those and make sure that you're reflecting it properly when you're shooting an image. Making sure that the white balance is good is a way to do that, and really understanding the type of light that you're using to photograph this black skin. Step number 2, stop intentionally underexposing black skin. Oftentimes in photography, we see maybe like 2 or 3 skin tones represented in imagery that contain black people. It's generally super dark skin, brown skin, and light skin. But you have to, again, understand all the different tones that make up black skin. Even with dark skin, there's still different colors of undertones. It may not be the same complexion, it may not be the same color, it may not be the same type of darkness. So you want to make sure that you're given a true representation of what the dark skin actually looks like. Tip number 3, stop intentionally overexposing black skin. The same thing I said for underexposing, just flip it for overexposing. Again, I cannot stress enough, you want to give a true representation of what the skin color is. I understand that there's creative license, which you're more than free to exercise. However, for most cases, you generally want to keep the skin tones looking accurate when it comes to black people, because there's not enough accurate depictions of black skin out there. So let's create that. Tip number 4. When you have especially darker skin subjects, you want to focus on sculpting rather than illuminating. If you spend a lot of energy trying to illuminate the dark surface or the dark skin tones, you may wind up washing out and not giving a true representation of the skin. So something that I like to do is sculpting, where maybe I'll light the side so you can kind of see the edge of the face. I'm talking about faces specifically. But I like to light the side so that you can kind of see the edge of the face and you see the shape and the features without giving too much light on the skin and then making the skin appear lighter than it normally is. Tip number 5, hire black people to shoot black models, black subjects, black skin. It's very important to have a team that consists of people who understand the different skin tones, the different skin variations, the different complexities of black skin. It's very nuanced, and I think it's a good idea to have more black people on creative teams. Hope you enjoyed those tips and you understand the importance of the care that should go into lighting black skin. You can find me at shotti.nyc, and my Instagram handle is shotti NYC. That's SHOTTI. I hope to see you soon.